We're going to work on lesson 32. The theme or the objective is selecting the correct equation, learning about commutative property of addition and the commutative property of multiplication. So it's when you are given several equations to choose from in order to solve a word problem, start by covering up the choices and then take the following steps. 1, we're going to read the whole problem. 2, we'll go back and underline the information in the story that pertains to the question being asked. Write an equation, leaving the answer blank. Number 4 is look at the choices that are given and select the one that matches your equation. Keep in mind that for addition and multiplication, the order can be reversed. So guys, when you read the question and you write what do you think they're asking you to do, then you're going to be given 4 choices and you're going to have to match up the, you'll figure out the correct answer. So this is called, this being able to reverse or go in either direction is called the commutative property of addition and the commutative property of multiplication. So 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. And 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. It makes no difference. You're going to get the same answer. But for subtraction and division, the order cannot be reversed. You won't get the same answer. 5 take away 2 is not equal to 2 take away 5, and 6 divided by 2 is not equal to 2 divided by 6. It's only in addition and multiplication that you can reverse the order.
Now let's solve number 1, and let's go back to the strategies that they offer to us. So it asks us first to read the whole problem. So number 1, Miguel has 18 peanuts. He would like to divide them equally among 3 friends. Which equation shows how many peanuts each friend will get? I'm going to go back now and I'm going to underline the information in the story that pertains to the question being asked. So my question is going to be how many peanuts will each friend get? That's going to be my question. So the information now that's going to help me get to that, to answer that question, is that Miguel has 18 peanuts. He would like to divide them equally among 3 friends. So divide them equally among 3 friends. So the equation that makes the most sense to me in solving this problem is he starts with a whole and he wants to divide them into equal groups. So that tells me I'm going to use division, and number 8 is an example of division. Now when I look back at the problem, 18 divided by 3, 18 peanuts divided into 3 equal groups will tell me how many peanuts each friend will have. And what is that answer? 18 divided by 3 is 6. So each friend will get 6 peanuts. Okay, now on to number 2. Let's start by reading the whole problem first. Matilda would like to plant 4 different herbs in each of her 5 gardens. Which equation shows how many herbs she will need? My question, I'm going to circle. How many herbs she will need. Then I go back and let's reread and underline the information we feel is important to help us answer this question. Matilda would like to plant 4 different herbs. Okay, so she wants to plant 4 different herbs in each of her 5 gardens. Alright, so she has 5 gardens and she wants 4 herbs in each of those gardens. So if I were to kind of draw a picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gardens, she's going to want 4 different herbs in each of those. And so one way that I could solve that, well, I have my 5 groups times the 4 herbs in each. So that would be number 9, 5 times 4. I could also say 4 plants in each garden times the 5 gardens because of the commutative property of multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 lets us know how many herbs she's going to need altogether.